Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for this SWELLEnterprise tutorial. Today we're going to dig into File Manager. So to get started, go ahead and click on the three dots in the upper navigation here, or if you've already shortlisted that to your sidebar, you can navigate to it from there. And we're going to go ahead and click on the Organization tab, and then click on View Files. Now when you do this, this should load the File Manager, and you should see some folders already created for you. For example, I've got a clients folder and a leads folder, which automatically has all of my client and leads folders that I've created if I chose to automatically create folders for that. Now to explain this view here, you can click on the refresh button in case you have several people working within the file manager at one time. You can also click on the new file or new folder if you need to create a new document or a new folder. You can click on the upload icon to simply drag and drop files in or select files from your file explorer. And you can click on one or several and use the trash icon to delete. You can copy or you can cut. And then you can change from a list format to a thumbnail format or change it to full screen. So it's pretty straightforward working with a file manager. Now, one thing I did want to point out to you is that you can right click on a file, for example, or a folder, and I can go ahead and click on view if I need to get a quick preview of this. Now, if it's an image I'm working with, I do have the option here to crop it. Maybe I need to do a little light image editing through here. I can also rotate it and scale it. If you're working with files or folders, you also, when you right click, have the option to click on properties here. Properties is going to give you the publicly accessible URL just by clicking on get URL. And you'll see here where it shows me the URL that we can copy and paste into an email, for example, or share with a client. And I can simply copy and paste that over. Outside of that, it's pretty straightforward on working with the system. You can drag and drop files in, you can share files across your team, you can attach files to emails or tasks, for example, or in the workroom module. So that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach us at the bottom of the right-hand corner of the chat panel, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.